is all you'll need to make a delicious chocolate and orange mousse. Some cream cheese, a bar of chocolate of your choice, some vanilla extract. Make sure you get extract and not essence. Extract is from the plant, essence is just chemicals. 2 or 3 oranges, some caster sugar and some double cream. First thing we're going to do is get the cream whipped up till it forms nice little peaks. When your cream's whipped up so you get nice peaks, it's time to go in with your cream cheese. Then mix in your cream cheese with a spatula or spoon or whatever you've got to hand. You don't want to carry on whizzing the double cream up, otherwise you'll end up with butter. With your cheese and cream mix, put that to one side. It's time to start grating your oranges. When your oranges have had a good wash, time to get the orange zest off. It's just the orange we want, we don't want any of the white pith underneath. When you've got the zest off your orange, it's now time to get the juice out. With your oranges seen to, it's now time to pulverise your chocolate. With everything prepared, it's now time to get your creamy mixture and get all the rest of the stuff in there. So you want about a teaspoon of your vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of sugar, caster sugar that is. Could use icing sugar if you liked. Your orange juice you squeezed, and last but not least, your chocolate and orange zest. Save a bit of each to top your mousse when you put it into cartons or glasses, whatever you're going to use. And then get them thoroughly mixed together. Once you've got them mixed together, it does seem quite sloppy, you think, but don't worry, it'll firm up when you put it into the fridge. With everything mixed, if you want to be posh, get yourself a nice glass and put it into there. When you've got it in your glass, time to go on with some of your chocolate. And then finish it off with some of your orange peel. Something like that. If you're not trying to impress anyone with posh glasses, just get one of your cartons from a supermarket and fill that up.